Hey, fellow DIY scientists. Today we're witnessing an epic experiment, transforming this tiny strawberry into a mega strawberry tree. Look at this glamorous setup. A plastic cup with red and white gelatin blocks, topped with 2 strawberries and fresh green leaves. It's like a cocktail for royalty. But no, this is our top secret science lab today. Now for the delicate part. We're doing strawberry surgery. Carefully trim off those leaves and stems. Every slice is a step closer to creating the ultimate super strawberry tree. Precision is key, people. Next up, we summon the mighty red onion. Slice it into tiny pieces like you're a master chef. Then grab a strawberry and gently stick a toothpick right in the top. See that? It's like planting the flag of strawberry greatness. We're not done yet. Add another strawberry on the toothpick and bam! We've got a strawberry warrior tree ready for action. Now, toss those chopped onion bits into the cup and fill it up with water. Water plus onions equals a magic growth potion. Don't ask why. It's our secret formula. And now, for the grand moment, plant the strawberry warrior tree into the onion water. Just look at it. Our experiment is truly taking shape. To create the perfect conditions for growth, wrap the cup in plastic wrap. This is our high-tech greenhouse, helping our strawberry grow faster than ever. "35 days later, drum roll please, and now we witness the result of our patience and hard work. Behold, our strawberry has grown roots and leaves. From a simple berry, it's now a mini strawberry tree with its own roots and leaves. Amazing, right? Finally, compare our strawberry tree with the onion cup in soil. Both are mighty survivors. The strawberry has proven it can thrive in water, even though it still loves the soil. you have it, our epic journey to turn a humble strawberry into a super strawberry warrior. If you found this as fun as I did, don't forget to like and share your results with me. See you in our next crazy experiment.